Huh.
See first. The concert.
Okay.
In San Francisco,
Mm-hmm.
CA, May 28th, and Inglewood, June 6th to 8th, 2025. June 6th and
oh, so they're gonna be here 2 times.
Yes. I need to see what songs they're doing.
And what you gonna be in the crowd?
Yes. So this is the Dominant tour. So Dominant. So they have a song called Domino, and then a song called No, the tour is called Dominate. And they will be performing
Well, as entrepreneurs, we have to be the ones to actually put the content out there. Alright guys, so I'm looking for some kind of sealant spray. Oh, here we go, like a sealer. Silicone grout sealer for interior and exterior. I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, let me go ahead and get the sponge while I'm here too. And I think that's everything I need. I'm looking to need anything else. I'm probably gonna grab one of these things just to be on the safe side. I'm not trying to make a special pattern or anything. I think this will do just fine. Alright guys, I got what I need. Now I'm about to head to the register and get out of here. They have some of everything. Like, this is so nice.
This right here is cool. You take
Sheds for less. Win $50,000 this spring.
You don't need to be picked up? Come on. Oh, that would be really nice.
Yo. Whenever I used to.
Okay.
Wash that.
Well, we gonna get you some more new shoes. Just hold on. Come on.
Oh, those are really cute. We got.
Had to take me a sit down break while they wait for the fitting rooms.
Go.
How you feeling?
Good.
Good. Thank you for sharing with me.
You want them? As on the smart.
Which one is this one? Who is he? Okay.
The PJ Masks.
PJ Mask. Okay.
Catboy.
That's Catboy.
Ghetto.
Gecko. Okay.
And Alex.
Oh, okay.
Where did she go?
Now, when I tell you that everything aligns, I do mean everything aligns. My husband walked outside, seen this painter, and bought this painting for me. It was so sweet. And look at the time, guys. 4:44. If you know, you know.
There was a booger in my nose.
Oh my gosh.
And my friend really got it.
Because we're not. Come on. Hey, hey. So I actually want to see if they have those little colorful shirts in here. The ones that, just plain for $1.25. They usually get them around this time of the year. But I don't see any yet. I keep smelling this smell in here. It's just not pleasant. I don't know what's going on, but oh my gosh. All right, guys. So I am back home and I received a package. My husband ordered me something and I got it in today. He wouldn't tell me what it was, y'all, but come on now. Oh, this little thing right here is powerful, okay? So I'm about to put this on and then I'm about to get in this bed and I'm about to go to sleep. Peace out, y'all.